Alright, so right now I'm at V&S Motor Service and I see the car, and wow, the car looks incredible with these modifications. These bumpers look absolutely, it's a game changer. Wow. Like it a lot. I like it a lot. It's absolutely incredible. Oh, and there's something missing right there, but hey, what do we have over here? I have a part, it's an Oreo box, but it's not quite Oreos. It is, as we're unboxing. And I think it's the wrong part. Yeah, it's a little bit too short. It certainly is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So I am here at V&S Motor Service and the car is here, ready, looking beautiful, ready for delivery. There's a few parts that are not here yet, such as the license plate bracket. I'm waiting for that to come from overseas. So I'm gonna have to go get the right part. As well as the bracketry that covers the fog light. It's a small piece that goes right here. And you have the tow hook covers that covers these respective areas of the bumper. But for the most part, this car is complete. So I'm actually going to take delivery of the vehicle because it is ready to come home with me. And it's all thanks to the guys here at V&S Motor Service. They are the quintessential BMW foreign car specialists. If I look at all the foreign cars here in the lot, the one that stands out to me the most is this one right here, which I will review on the channel pretty soon enough. This, for those who are not familiar with foreign vehicles that are no longer available in the United States, this is a Peugeot Estate. It is a wonderful little vehicle, and it gives me Ronin vibes, because the movie Ronin, Peugeots are featured in the BMW Chassis. And this is a Peugeot, a French vehicle, a 505 turbo, just a fun little vehicle. And this one is in immaculate shape. So stay tuned for the review of this vehicle coming soon on the channel. But let's go inside and let's look at some paperwork. Aside from all the foreign cars that you have here at the shop, you also have this amazing looking Jeep that is getting a full-on body treatment with a lift kit. And this thing is absolutely immaculate. I mean, look at the size of these tires. Absolutely insane. So you can see the level of workmanship they do here at V&S Motor Service. It is not only the foreign cars, it is the domestic cars too. V&S has been my one-stop shop for years. I was convinced about V&S when I learned Sal regularly worked on Lamborghini Countaches back in the 1980s. Every now and then, something special will pop up at the shop. And who works on it? Sal does. Alright, so with the supply chain shortage, that is the reason why some of those parts are not here. Unfortunately, I am not able to get all those parts at the same time, but they did an amazing job in getting the car together at this point in time. They even have a cone for me to protect the car from any potential impact from other vehicles. Now that the car is 98% of the way there, I am definitely looking forward to seeing this car almost 100% complete. On the back, everything is pretty much 100% there. The rock chip, they did the shiny part down below. It's the attention to detail that I really appreciate that they were able to do. It is almost there. Everything is looking sweet. Yeah, even some of the spare parts that you have, such as the old fog lights. Almost done. So yeah, car is almost done. That's it from this video. Thank you to V&S Motor Service. I'm sure you're gonna see more of this car featured on my channel. Talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye. Stay tuned and subscribe for the updates to this beautiful E28. Thank you for watching.